is medyo steep, paahon, tapos pababa, pa-curve etong way na pupuntahan namin. Ayan. Pag ganun, paahon, paakyat, pa-curve, ganun. We're going to Tagaytay proper.
Oh my god. Guys, we're here.
Hello guys, we're here.
Yeah, I saw the playground already. I want to go there.
Paano bibintayin nyo dito? Kapag ka muna.
Come on, sabay kayo ni ate. Ah. Come on. Wow.
Guys, look, there's a playground. We're gonna play.
Is that yours? Cool area. Sama namin si Kobe. Ay. Yeah. We're going up.
Hi, we're here at our staycation. And then we're gonna room tour. First is the mirror and our nice shoe rack. And then our CR. There's a shower in the bottom. And soap. Yeah, we have soap and a sink and a CR. Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Look, toilet rules. If you lift it, put it down. If it runs out, replace it. If you clean it up. If you're finished, flush it. If it smells, spray it.
There, meron din silang
Blower.
blower.
Tapos
meron na din silang yung shampoo yata yun.
my heater pa. Sana all. So guys, let's keep it touring. Now next is leveling up our sitting
Storage ba to?
storage. I think it's a storage.
Yes, it is. It's a storage. It's like that. I can't do that. Daddy might.
Okay,
Anyways.
next this is our kitchen. Or our refrigerator. And also
It's locked.
It's locked, Kayla. This is a cabinet full of tweaking stuff. Let's see this. Okay, and also there's a lot of coffee. We're gonna have coffee and chill.
We have water. Oh, may complimentary silang water.
Yeah. Also we have a kettle.
Yeah.
And also
Emergency kit.
Yeah, we don't have. Also, we
Yeah,
have
complete na
these.
sila ng mga baso-baso, plato, pangluto, very aesthetic. Oven, microwave oven.
Microwave, yeah.
This is sink, ayun yung pangbutas. Buti meron. Pandura. Ayan, kung gusto nyo mag-inom-inom, ayan, meron din sa taas. And this is the mini bar.
Yeah, baby bar. Look at me, guys. Hello.
So this is my chance because this is the favorite part.
What?
So this is our bed. At least siguro 3 kasha dito. Magdadagdag pa kami dito. Pwedeng dito sila Yasi at Kuya. Kasi pwede kong maging bed yan. Tapos meron din siyang TV Rexa na. And may aircon. Puro for our family. Saktong-sakto na to. We booked this for 2,484.
Mahal naman?
Via Airbnb. No, it's not. There's more expensive units.
And now
This
for...
one is very cheap. Ay, meron silang mga charging ports
Sorry.
there. So, we have comforter. So, ayan, there's a veranda or the terrace with that view. Ganyan. Ayan ang view. Sucks na din to. Okay rin to pa. Kahit na wala siyang taal view, okay din. So, if you like this room, pwede ka namang i-link siya dito sa aking YT channel. Ayan, that's the view of the room. Yan talaga, ayan. Very small lang. Pero okay na to kasi mura na to eh. Ayan. So, papahinga lang kami. Mag-swimming kami maya-maya. Ayan. See you later! Hello guys. So, nakapag-settle na kami. Kakain na kami ng pancit canton. Nag-grocery pala kami kanina doon sa Pure Gold sa nadaanan namin. Kasi just in case na mabutom. Katulad ngayon. So, let's go and cook. Ayan. Ayan yung aming small kitchen. Seafood. Ay, buong. Is light kape.
If I drink coffee, please put
Sarap. I did. Sarap. Pancit canton for merienda.
Merienda. Then we get a rest, and then we get a soup back.
Ang sarap pala talaga ng may goreng. Hungry later.
I'm gonna have it.
Yeah. For sure you don't like na?
Yes. Yes, I'm so lucky. What's
Huh?
na? Ice cream. Huh? Ice cream.
OOTD with OOTD for swimming. Now guys, we're gonna swim. Ready na! Outfits! Foggy. Foggy, foggy. Pay. 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 Ah. Abot ni Eli? Abot ni Eli? O, tingnan mo muna at check mo rin. Hmm?
Ang marabunga. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi! I had so much fun. You should come.
Mukha hindi. Hello guys! So, magdi-dinner na kami. Nakaligo na kami and everything. It's dinner time. It's 7 p.m. 7:30. 5 p.m. na. So, kain na. Baka magbulalo kami for today's video. See ya! Halika na!
Continue on JP Rizal Street for 1.5 kilometers.
We're going to Mahogany, guys. Ang daming mga bukas na kainan. Ayan, mga bulaluhan. Dito sa Tagaytay.
And we're here at Anay Daling's Bulaluhan with Eli.
Hello guys! Nakauwi na kami medyo kanina pa and picture lang. Naantok na rin talaga ako. Alam nyo, okay dun sa kinainan namin. Wala lang talagang, yung bone marrow ba yun? Yung sa pinakabulalo niya. Gusto ko kasi yun. Yung kaso walang laman. So, yun lang siguro yung medyo Pero, carry na siya kasi kung kakain ka sa Manila ng ganun kadami, nasa 1,780, ganyan. Parang regular na yun. Kasi, 2 to 3 packs lang in order namin. Meron yun parang 7 to 10, ganun. Parang 400 lang, ganyan. Nakalimutan ko eh. Basta, hindi dyan yan. Tapos, yung pinaka-tawilis naman is 300 pesos. Yun lang naman, as in, sakto na yun sa amin. Nag-take out pa kami. Yun, sulit na rin. Ayan, kumakain lang at nanonood yung mga bagets. So, ayan, nakapangtulog na rin ako, ready to sleep. Pero, baka mag-noms muna kami. Nanonood pala ako ng Tony G. Ayan, about kay Miriam Defensor. Sino ba to? Miriam Kiambao? Ano ba? Miriam Kiambao. Miriam Defensor pa talaga. Ano boy? Ayan, nood muna tayo mga B. Good morning! Breakfast time! Breakfast! Ang breakfast namin ay tocino and leftover tawilis. With take-out suka from last night. And then, of course, coffee. Nagsuswimming kami after kumain. Nag-playground na sila kanina. Ngayon, mag-swimming naman sila mamaya. Ngayon, mamaya. So, mamaya pa yan. So, see you guys. Kain muna. Hindi ko na-insert yung oil. Kaya ganyan naman. Anong oil? Ha?
Okay mo.
Pinakuloan ko lang. Matagal. Ang oil, eh.
Ano mo nga ako?
Boom. Sayas pala. Hello guys, we're about to check out. Nagliligpit na lang kami. Ayan, yung nagamit namin. Comforter, okay na. TV, nanonood na lang. Mga bagets ito. Yan. Putin bakla. Plates and baso.
Yup.
Yap daw. Yap. Ayan. Oh, wait lang. Fix everything first. Ayan. Sige, see you later. Gala kami. Hello guys. So, nakapag-check out na kami and we're on our way to People's Park. No?
People's Park in the Sky.
People's Park in the Sky. Nakakapunta-punta na kami sa mga ganyan-ganyan mga tourist spots. Pero ngayon, nakalimutan ko na naman ang itsura. Lilito na ako. Litong-lito na. Litong-lito. Ganyan. Tapos itong dalawa, are looking for the for the Orlocking. Tulog sila. Ganda lang video. So yan, we're like 9 minutes away. Naghahanap din ako ng Starbucks kasi gusto kong magkape kasi mamaya mahaba pa yung araw namin.
Starbucks
Gising-gising tayo. Starbucks Hiraya is hopefully on the way. On the way ba yun? I would say you. Bye! Ayan guys, merong ano sa entrance, pinaka-entrance, meron na siyang 50 pesos parking fee. Mafag daw talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo, mafag eh.
Entrance. Bawal daw.
Ayan, bawal daw. Saan? Hello guys, bakit na kami sa People's Park and siguro naka-mas kami kasi may smog daw. Para lang daw siyang fog pero smog daw talaga galing sa Taal. Very wrong ata at may ginagawa. Kaso paid na kasi kami. So, ayan. For safety lang, mag-mask na lang tayo. Eh, mga bagets. Ayan. Ayan, may smog. Hindi natin makita ang Taal. It's coming from Taal Volcano. Sayang, but it's okay na rin. Hello! Init! Grabing init ang panahon. So, ayan, dumaan kami dun sa bilihan sa likod. Dyan lang, marami yan. Hindi niya nakikita, syempre. Ayan, bumili kami ng guyabano pang pasalubong kila mama. And honey, this is 150 pesos. Tapos ito, 150, 2 kilos. Hello guys, so we're going to Chocolataria. Ito kami magme-merienda. So, yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Really? Ito na ba yun? Ayan na pala. Naligaw kami mga B. Ayan, Chocolataria. There you go. Ayan o. So, Chocolataria pa mana. Ayan. For sale, babe. Wow. Smile. Looks like a painting. Tayo sa outside because we have a door. Yeah. Chocolataria. May view din sila. Ayan yung kanilang menu. And and this. Pamana. Ito naman yung menu nila. Ayan. 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 Marami silang food choices actually. Pero this I ordered, yung chocolataria. Dito kami nag-order. Yung isa lang naman yung resto. So, kasama namin si Kuya. Kaya, nandito kami sa alfresco dining nila. And this is the view. So, may smog nga. Diba? May smog. There.
Kahit yun na rin doon, ma.
Sige po, thank you po. Ang saya naman na ito.
Mommy, what's that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate!
And this is the
Chocolate! You don't do that.
Do that.
chocolate mallows. Chocolate mallows to, no? Yan.
Oh my
Ito,
God.
may marshmallow.
A spiral!
Sarap. So, let's try this. Chocolate mallows. Harap.
Hey guys,
Hi, guys.
so at the olive flower,
Try this one.
right? Flower. It's da. Try it. Can bantu ya food.
Wait lang. Go.
Ano to?
What's taco? Oh, Adi. Oh, Adi. What Adi? Ito. Wow.
Isang subuan na to. May mango. Mango ba to? First time ko may mango sa ano. Yung ubon. Ang sarap naman. This is the
Diyan ka na dumaan.
crab. This one is the bread.
Hindi tayo gusto.
Hello guys, we're on our way home. Ito pala yung Starbucks, so nadaanan namin. And ang ratings ko doon sa Chocolataria and Pamana is siguro 8 out of 10. Yung ambience niya okay. Though nasa labas kasi kami, nag-alfresco dining kami kasi nga nandun si Kobe, may aso kami. So bawal kami sa loob. Okay naman yung labas niya, malangaw lang din talaga. And mababait yung mga server. Tapos, okay yung service. Yung food naman, okay, worth the try naman. Nagustuhan ko yung yung feeling kong pinaka-worth it dun yung chocolate. Ano yun yung may marshmallow? Ano yun tawag doon? Chocolate. Ano tawag doon?
Malos.
Oo. Chocolate malos. Yung with malos. 200 pesos. Pero, parang makaka 3 cups ka na doon. So, hati-hati na kami. And, nung nilagyan ko siya ng kape barako, mas sumarap siya. Kasi medyo, medyo dark pa yung taste niya. Pero masarap na siya as is. Yun. Yung alimango and aligay pasta nila, okay din naman. Though, one plate, meron na siyang parang bread na matigas, toasted bread, and meron siyang tops na mga fried fish. Sobrang crunchy din, kaya na-enjoy ko din yun. Okay din naman, worth the try din yun. Good for sharing. And medyo out ko lang siguro yung yung lumpiang sariwa kasi first time ko makatikim ng may mangga. Okay naman, kaso medyo nakukulangan ako sa loob. Yung mga palaman niya inside. Kasi medyo makapal yung kanyang wrapper, diba? No? Medyo makapal yung wrapper niya. Na-overpower niya ng wrapper yung pinakalaman niya. Kaya siguro kung dinamihan pa siguro yun. Siguro parang nasa 380 pesos for one serving. Tapos ang nakakatuwa dun, may mga crunchy-crunchy yun na kineme. Makita mo naman sa video, diba? Tapos, ano pa ba yung kinain namin? Nag-enjoy yung mga bata dun sa waffle finger with chocolate and yung may honey na syrup and meron siyang soft serve na milk flavor. Ayun, masarap yun. Okay din yun i-try. So, and okay naman. Thank you and I will end this video. Uwi na kami. We really enjoyed our last hurrah bago sumambasing away. This is our last vacation and next year na ulit. FYI, this is a month of August 19. So next year na ulit kami aalis. Kasi ganoon talaga. Pag nawala na isa, wala na. Ang aming magiging travel na lang ulit. Siguro hindi na ako makakapag-vlog kasi oh mga ganyan. Yan, yung mga ganyan lang. Ang magiging travel na lang namin is puro SM na. Pag grocery kami, mamalengke, magmo-malling, which is mag-grocery din naman sa mall, ganon. Ganon na lang yung magiging ganap ko sa buhay bilang ako isang huwarang ina na iiwanan ng aking seaman na asawa. So, wala na tayong vlogs. That's it. Charot lang, di natin sure. Thank you so much, bye! I hope you subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye-bye! Press the
bell button.